What's up, dudes? GRELLEBOYZ here, and welcome back to another video where today you can obviously see we're back again with Animal Crossing, and this is episode 2 of Animal Crossing, and yeah, we're getting into it because Tom Nook over here is about to tell us what's going on. So let's see what he has to say. Hello. Time for an island-wide broadcast, your source of island news. I'll go over the things that are very important to island life, so lend me your island ears for a short time. Let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Tom Nook. It's 3:20 p.m. This happy Thursday, July 11th. This is the day I'm filming. This probably won't be up until the week after. So, yeah. I can't say I have much in the way of news to report to you today. Come to think of it, this morning I happened upon a rare colored seashell while I'm walking along the beach. They're known as summer shells, and as the name suggests, you can only find them during the summer. This is a good opportunity to enjoy some DIY crafting. Okay, we haven't figured that out yet. We didn't get that far yet. We gotta do that today. We're doing that today. Alright. Oh look, it's the Island 101 things that Tom ranted about. Oh my god, we're back. Let's see what kind of mail we have. Oh, it's from Mom. Whenever I see a plane, I think of you and wave at those airborne strangers with all my might. I had no idea how many flights took off each day. My arm is exhausted. Enjoy the fresh air. Oh, enjoy the fresh start, Mom. Mom got my mama got me a gift. Cherries. I cannot even plant cherries. I can't even plant them yet. Yo. Okay, let's just go talk to Tom Nook. Let's talk to Mr. Nookinsons. GRELLEBOYZ, welcome. As you can see, it's quite cozy in here. It's fun how cozy doesn't always mean comfortable. Let me know if you have any advice. Okay. Alright, I get it. Okay. Doing a free DIY workbench, I get it. What would I like to talk about? I'm all ears. What should I do? Yes, it is the question. The DIY workshop. Yes, I would like to do that. I would like to do the workshop. Yes, the DIY workshop. Alright. I'd love to. Alright. Tell me what I gotta do, Mr. Nook. Welcome to my DIY workshop. I suppose workshop is overselling it a bit. Alright, gather materials, follow recipes, use the workbench. Got it, give me the recipe for a fishing rod then. 5 tree branches. Okay. I have none. Great. 5 tree branches. Let's talk to Drift. Looking built, Dribbit. What's up? I want to chat. Hey, isn't that the hat I gave you? Looks great. Really shows off your head muscles, Dribbit. You call my head big? Bro just said I have a big head. 2. Is it really? 3. 4. 5. Oh, 6. Alright. Pick up some weeds, maybe we can sell something. I don't know. Yeah, I want this. Give me that rock. Sorry if this is not ideal, but we We gotta do some weeding now and then. Gather some more sticks, I guess. Alright, let's go talk to Nook. Let's go see what Nook is up to. I mean, we know what he's up to. He's helping us, but like, you know what I meant. I gotta go craft this. Alright, feathers for materials. Let's make that fishing rod. Yeah. Give me that then. You better clap for me. Clap for me. That was perfect. That concludes. That's it. That concludes the DIY workbench. Really? I would have assumed that would have taken a lot longer. But you know, that's fine. And we have Nook Miles. So let's do this. Thank you, Mr. Nook. Yeah, give me other things, Mr. Nook. Alright. Okay. I can also make a net. And a campfire. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is lost and found. The recycle box, my bad. Not the lost and found. Tree branch, cardboard box. Oh, welcome. Okay. Small selection of things. That's fine. Great. I don't got anything. I don't have anything to buy. I mean, I don't have any money. Alright, so I can sell things. Now you tell me? After I just stop talking to you. I want to sell. I'm offering some weeds. There you go. 390 bells. Damn. Alright. Sells what? Seller of unwanted stuff. Alright. Okay, we just need to get a couple more. We just need like one more tree branch, too. And then we can, oh, I can't even pick that up. It's a money spot. If I plant money in there, I can get it grows a money tree. But I don't even have a shovel. What a pain. Sir, sorry. I just want to pick up some weeds so I can make some money. I'll talk to you, Devereaux. Oh, hey, whatevs. What brings you here? What's the latest? I kind of moved here on a whim, and I'm not sure I brought enough bells with me. Whatevs. Like you here at Deserted Island, and you think you're not even gonna need money. Yeah, I need a plan. I can sell things to Timmy and Down. Yeah. Okay, let's go make myself a net. Start catching bugs. And we can fish, but not just, yeah, I want to make a net. Alright. Wait, hold on a second. Yeah. I would like to. Make myself a net. Yeah. Oh yeah, Speedy. You made yourself a flimsy net. I sure did. Alright. No, we're good. I can actually learn this now. Sweet. Let's just move some things around. Okay, there we go. Now we can catch bugs and fish some fish. Okay. Let's go see what we can find. And while we're oh wait, hold on. A bird means there's something. It's just basic stuff. Okay. Let's actually get some fruit. Maybe we can sell some fruit as well. Ooh, wait, there's a bug. Where'd it go? Oh, okay. What? Got it. Yahoo! Yes! I caught a brown cicada. Now it probably feels blue cicada. Oh wait, Oh god. There we go. Yes! I caught a grasshopper. They're a grass cut. Okay. How was that camp? There's no way the bonfire is still burning. Alright. Okay. We're by the ocean, so we can see if we can catch some fish. Is there any fish in the ocean for us to catch? Of course there's not. Because why would there be? Oh wait, a butterfly. A butterfly. Oh, I just made a bug. Okay. Get it. Get it! Thank you. Yes! I caught a tiger butterfly. I've earned my stripes. Why are there no fish? What a pain. I guess we can just collect some weeds for now. Look for a bug. How sweet a fish. Come on down. Oh god, go, go, go. Sweet. Yes. I caught a sweet fish. Hope it's not artificially sweet. Okay, not like. Not funny. Just collecting the weeds. And that should be fine. We'll collect the rest like off camera. We'll just pick up ones that we like just see around. Oh wait, a bug. A bug. Come on. Got it! What now? Okay. Let's go sell some things. Ooh, another bug. Give me that butterfly. Yes! A common blue bottle. I'll put it in a rare green jar. Alright. What up, Tommy? Oh, GRELLEBOYZ, it's great to see you. We're keeping resident services open at night, so feel free to stop by if you need to talk or anything. For the time being, I'll be out and about checking in with everyone, seeing how the folks are doing. If you're ever unsure about what you should do, don't hesitate to stop by for a chat. Thanks, Tommy. Let's see. Let's go talk to Tom Nook. Or not Tom Nook, Timmy. At least for right now. Yeah, I'm gonna sell the fruit, the cardboard box, and the weeds. Sweet or rich? if I eat fruit, blah blah blah. Okay. What now? Greedy weeder. Oh, sweet. Okay, we're working our way up to pay up our debt. I found a creature. Here, have this brown cicada. Oh, what a catch! I do believe this is a brown cicada. If this island can support a brown cicada, why, who knows what other fantastic creatures we might find living here. GRELLEBOYZ, I have an idea. An old friend of mine runs a museum, and I love to send it to him for a closer look. Would you be okay with that? Yeah, why not? I'm fine with that, Tom Nook. Do whatever you want with it. As long as it's not sitting in my pockets, I'm good. That reminds me. Oh, okay. A way to find out your generous donations. Ow. Oh, it's my Critipedia. Thank you, by the way. Alright. I'm gonna give you even more things. I'm giving you more things, Mr. Nook. Have this grasshopper. Yep, send it. Send all the things as long as I can get a museum. I have. That reminds me to share more DIY recipes with you. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, you buddy. You know, sometimes Tom Nook can be, not that bad. Oh, an axe. Yeah, now I can get some wood. Get some wood. Alright, here. Would you mind if I said, yeah, okay. Yo, flowers. Sweet. Thank you, buddy. Thanks. Yeah, I still have creatures for you, buddy. Yep, even more. Here you go. Yep, it's a sweet fish, alright. And it's not artificially sweet. So... sweet away. Don't know what I just said, but... alright. I have to water the flowers, obviously, idiot. Oh, you're giving me the water recipe. Oh, my bad, my bad. I get it. I'm giving you more things, so shut up and just take it. Like, why can't I just select them all and just give them to you? Like, come on. Making this process a whole lot of problems. Yes, take it. I don't want it. Holy. Great, now bro's getting the phone call. Oh my god. Blathers, is that you? Ain't no way bro just sent all those things. I've been standing here right here. Oh, what splendid timing. Yes, sis, do you remember the venture we discussed? Well, it's come to fortune. I'm currently stationed on an island that we've decided to call a village. Yes. There's local fauna are as abundant as expected, just as I told you. How many processes you ask? Well, there's no way of knowing just yet. But I have received, let's see, 5 outstanding specimens so far. What? Seriously? Well, that's very exciting. Oh, but you have to excuse me with the customer. I'm with a customer right now. I'm that customer. Sorry to keep you waiting. That was my friend Blathers, the one who congregates me. Believe it or not, he's coming to our island to help identify us. Oh, sweet. Oh, we get to pick where he goes. Yes. Yes. I'll pick where Blathers is, it's fine. Because I have to do everything around here. Have a nice DIY. Oh, let's go. 2,000. We just need to get 5,000. Wait, actually explain to me what this is first. So I don't have to talk to you when I need it. Okay. Right. No, I don't. Oh, yes, we get a reward. No. Goodbye. Good day to you. Like, actually just get out of here. Okay. We'll find out with Blather. Put Blather somewhere. And... yeah. Let's just pick up these clumps, this big pile of weeds. Yeah. Weeds galore. Okay. Okay, where to put Blathers for now? I guess right here. Let's pick these. I guess right here would be fine, right? For now, until we have access to the rest of the island. Move it this way and up. No, we want it. I want it up more. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Oh, that tree's in the way though. Whatever. We'll chop it down at some point. It's okay. Gives it like a shady spot. There we go. Okay, that. Oh. I scared away a bug. Okay. Oh, wait, a bug. Let's catch this. Bruh. Oh, wait. Yo. No. No! I can't get that. Come over here. Come this way. Come this way. Oh, that's what a turd. Okay, we'll catch this fish. Come on, fish. See the thing. Got it. Yo, it's another sweet fish. Yo, if we catch enough of those things, we can sell. We can sell a bunch of them. Oh, why? That's not fair. I can't get over there. Ooh. Another fish. Okay, we got it. Sorry, I gotta concentrate when you catch a fish. Yes, I caught a crucian carp. My skills are sharp. Okay, that was good. That was a good one. Okay, well, all the things that we need to donate, since we can't donate them right now, we'll put by my house. Okay, we'll just make a group of things. Okay. Let's plant these flowers. Oh, yo, that thing's big. That's a big bug. Yes, got it. Yes, a saw stag. Now you can't unsee it. Put that there. See if there's any ocean fish we can see. Okay, this is a small guy, but it's okay because it's a fish. Bro, it's not that hard. Come on. Got it. Yes, a butterfly fish. Alright. Okay. Let's just collect some weeds that we can go to talk to Timmy and we can sell. We can go sell some things. Okay. Oh no. Oh, we can. I want to catch this so we can sell this to you too. Yoink. I caught a tiger butterfly. Yo, you're so buns. You're so buns, Drift. Yo, I can't talk to him. I'm horrible. Why? Got it. Okay. Stuff that we can sell. Oh, I just get another thing. Okay, let's go talk to Timmy. Oh, okay. Ah, GRELLEBOYZ, I take you found a suitable place for Blathers to set up. I did. I knew I could count on you, thank you. I'll let Blathers know so he can move in as soon as he wants. By the way, GRELLEBOYZ, you are saving up Nook Miles, right? There is no rush to pay me back, of course. I'm just excited to see the program in action. I've got a few tips. Okay. I want to sell. This, and this. Okay. We've 3,000 bells, baby. Let's go. Okay, let's, wait, oh. Do I have enough? Okay. Oh, we did. Okay, let's go back in here. Oopsies! Whoopsie-doo-dah! Yes. I'd like to craft an axe, please. Thank you. Okay. Now that we have an axe, we can get some wood, and then we can I think we need wood. I'm pretty sure we need wood to craft the watering can, and then we can plant the flowers and water them, and then we can do better. Wood collecting mastermind over here. Because it's so, you need so much skills to chop down some wood, am I right? You need, oh god. Oh god. Oh no 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 no. Oh my god, bro, if I got stung by bees I would have cried. Like, that's just mean, bro. Goodbye. Sorry to waste your time. Whoops. Okay, back to the tree. Okay. Let's see what I need. I need some softwood. I only have 2 pieces of that. I need 5. But it's not dropping me any softwood. What turds? Like, come on. Come on, bro. And I already hit that tree. Seriously, with the no softwood, bro? Come on. Like, bro, come on. Oh, sweet, 2 more pieces. That should be, 4. And we just need 1 more. Oh, there we go. Oh, some Nook Miles now. Nope. Sweet. Specific producer. Wait, there's more? Oh, Nook Phone Life. Sweet. We're gonna get this debt paid off faster than you know. Oh, I didn't buy a thing. Damn it. Ugh. Wait, but I saw a butterfly. Yoink. Alright. And there goes my net. Great. Come on, give me 1 stick. There you go. Give me 2. You've got the bug. Freshly delivered egg. The frick is this thing talking about? Trashed tools. Alright. I'm no clown. Don't you call me clown? Okay. Okay. Let's go make myself a new net. And, what do I call it? Watering can. Okay, flimsy net. Crafted. Watering can. Crafted. Okay. Yeah, we're almost ready to pay off our debt already. Okay, we're gonna plant these flowers. Let's just plant them right outside here. Sweet. And we got our watering can. So water these beautiful blossoming flowers. Okay. Okay. Let's just put this down. Please. Of course there's no room. There we go. I think I just saw a butterfly. Got it. Okay. That's all I got for you. That's all the time we have today. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, we'll have Blathers in the next episode, and I hope to see you guys there. And I'll see you all in the next Animal Crossing video. Peace